Hello, I'm Troy Bales, proud superintendent of Paradise Valley Schools, and today I'm live at Desert Springs Preparatory. And it's exciting because we're actually here before the start of the day, and with me for State of the District is Miss Teague, our sponsor for Desert Springs Trekkers. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. Tell us a little bit about Desert Springs Trekkers.
Yeah, so the kids come out here and they get to run the laps. If they complete 4 laps, that's a mile, and most kids complete usually a mile per day.
How long has this club been going on at Desert Springs? I think I can remember when my kids came through.
The club has been going on for years. We actually had a former teacher who started it, but then we started it as a club this year, and it's been going on about 8 weeks now.
And how many miles do you think they've already run? I know you've got a scanner going on, so you're kind of tracking for them.
Yeah, so they've ran about maybe 500 miles.
That's awesome. And will the club run all year then?
Yes, they'll run all year until about May.
That's exciting. And so I understand you have a leaderboard, so they get to see and how they compare to other kids competing.
Yeah, it's amazing. We get it and we keep it in the cafeteria, and so they get to just see them run miles. I mean, some kids have completed up to 30 miles already.
Part of our PVSchools strategic plan is about fitness and health. And so thank you for being here with me this morning and telling us about Trekkers. You know, one of the things that we also are going to do is talk a little bit about the 5K coming up. Paradise Valley Schools is a proud sponsor of the community 5K run or walk event. And this year it is on February 3rd, Saturday, February 3rd. And joining me now to talk a little bit about our 5K is our coordinator for benefits, Miss Dina Cabrera. Good morning, Dina.
Good morning, Dr. Bales. How are you this morning?
I'm doing great. Thank you for being out here with us. This is a lot of fun seeing these kids run and exercise.
Kind of wish I would have worn my tennis shoes instead of my high boots.
Well, you know, one of the things that we're happy to provide is this community fun run, and we've been doing it a long time, haven't we?
We have. I think this is our 14th annual fun run that we are be running from Horizon High School. I'm excited because it's my first year to actually be running it this year.
And if you want to run it, you can run it. If you want to walk it, you can walk it. But now's the time to register. So how do people register on this fun run to join us on Saturday, February 3rd at Horizon High School?
Well, there's a link that's live on our PVSchools website that you can, or you can email me and I will direct you how to get there. Or you can let your school administrator know that you would like to sign up if you can't find the link.
And we have sites that sign up as a team, right? Or you can sign up just as a member. So you don't even have to be a student or a family of PVSchools. You can be a member of our community and run with us, can't you?
That's correct. In fact, we like to promote the community to come out and join us. It shows that it's PVSchools. It's just not the sites. It's a community.
Absolutely. So Horizon High School, Saturday, February 3rd. We have hundreds of people that show up every year. We're really excited about this again this year. Thank you for being here with me this morning and helping us kick off our PVSchools Fun Run in February and celebrating runners at Desert Springs. This has been State of the District. I'm Troy Bales. Have a great day.